My name is Joe and I'm currently 17 days into a 30-day challenge where I posted brand new YouTube video every single day on this channel. And this is probably the first day where I've had absolutely no idea what I'm going to record, but I need to post something to keep up the challenge. You know, I've not done this for 16 days to give up now. And the topic or theme I want to talk about today is kind of the arrogance or ignorance that maybe a lot of us have when it comes to content creation, because we see a lot of creators that we follow online, or we get shown a lot of the top creators now, especially with how the algorithms work, sort of pushing content that it thinks will be beneficial to you, or that you would like, I should say. And it often feels like that content creation should be easy. You know, we have more access to resources, we have AI involved. Content creation should be very, very easy, yet so many of us still struggle and so many of us are still confused on what we should create. And I think that's kind of the point. And me partly doing this video or this challenge, sorry, to post a video every single day on this channel for 30 days is to overcome that voice inside my head that, you know, on a day like this would give myself the excuse and say, you know what, today's just not your day, Joe. You know, let's just post a video tomorrow. But the problem then comes from when tomorrow it maybe, you know, I'm exhausted. I've been doing this challenge for 17 days. I have a business that I'm trying to run. I have a social life. I have a relationship. I have all these things going on, like every single one of us. And it would be very, very easy for me to give up at this point, because none of the videos have particularly performed well. I think the top performing one has maybe got about 55 views at the point of recording this. So yeah, none of the videos have performed well. I'm constantly questioning whether this is a smart idea, whether I'm just, you know, destroying my channel and all these kind of things. But I think all of those questions are part of the reason and part of the greater reason as to why I'm doing this, and to the reason that so many of us give up and so many of us go into content creation thinking it should be easy, and we post consistently for a few weeks, or we show up even consistently for a few months and think like that we should just automatically get the business that we want, get all the clients or all of the sales, depending on obviously what you're posting content for. But it just doesn't work like that for most of us. It really doesn't. And you hear your favorite creators talking about their early days and they're making videos and not getting views, but the message doesn't really land when they now have a massive audience. And it's almost, as a viewer, even if you do find and you try and take inspiration from their story, you do sit there thinking, well, it's easy for you to say, you know, you've got these businesses now, you've got these followers, you've got this engagement on your content. It's easy for you to talk about the days where you were propping your iPhone up against an ironing board and, you know, recording videos and getting no views, because it's so far, it's such a distant memory. But when you're in it, and especially when now we have more access than ever to creators who are doing challenges like I'm doing and gaining crazy amount of followers, or putting what seems to be little to no effort into content and blowing up overnight, and you're constantly being suggested this kind of content on your feed, it can be very, very demoralizing. And it is this exact moment where, myself included, as this was probably the closest day I've come to where I wasn't going to post anything on the channel, because like you, I convinced myself that I need to scroll for hours to try and find some inspiration, and that's what I did before I recorded this video, and it's absolutely given me zero inspiration. So instead, what's inspired me more is just setting up the camera, setting up the light that takes 5 minutes to set up, and just openly speaking to you. Again, this video might not be, it probably won't go down as well, it probably won't get many views, it probably won't perform that great, but it's another day of proving to myself that I can actually show up on here. So I know that I went into this challenge a little bit blindly, not in terms of how hard it was going to be to record videos every day, as I've done videos for a few months now and know the kind of work and process that goes into it, but navigating these quieter periods, or these, you know, when you're doing all the right things, when you're filming the videos consistently, when you're putting effort in and you're not getting anything back from it yet, the key word yet, because it's a compounding effect. I probably underestimated the amount of questioning and the amount of second guessing that I've had during this challenge. And yeah, it's been absolutely great for me. Even recording this video now, I'm not too sure if I've just been waffling or anything, or actually providing any value, but I know that it's going to give me a platform to show up for tomorrow, and it's going to allow me to continue the challenge. And then when I get to the end of the challenge, I'll be able to look on day 17 or whatever days maybe that will come in the future where I've struggled to make a video and yet prove to myself that I still could as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you are a online coach, an online fitness coach who is looking to make better content so that you can get more clients from said content, that is exactly what I help out with. So I would recommend hitting subscribe, or if you just enjoy my videos and want to see how I get on across the 30 days, then of course make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. As you can hear in my voice, I'm a little bit exhausted, but I'm going to wrap up the video there. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for day 18.